Hi Facebook and YouTube friends. Well, it's Kim coming to you from sunny Palm Coast, Florida. We're in the middle of March and I'm enjoying my stay down here. It's bike week and I live now 25 miles from Daytona, which is great because I don't hear a single motorcycle except my neighbor across the street once in a while. So here's my newest project. We wanted to put a headboard on our master bedroom, which is a king-size bed. And we were priced them, they were like $300 or $400 and we couldn't find anything that went with the scheme. So I decided for my next project it's going to be Headboard 2021. So designing after my dad, who made another one for us that we put in another room, he used 4x4s and a big piece of pine across everything. So I started with some 4x4s, and as you can see, here's the original one. I cut it too long, that much too long, because it was going into papers and not papers, pictures on the wall. So I had to cut this one, cut it down to this. So I'm going to have to cut this one down as well and put the balls on top. And then, so this is going to span, you know, whatever, 76 inches. And then I made this little frame out of 2x2s. And these, let me get this out of the way. This is basically going to end up being, whoa, don't follow you. This is going to end up being like somewhere in here, like such. And then we got these faux brick panels, because our room is all like distressed gray. So it's going to look something like that. And I'm going to paint the sides gray as well. So I've been on this about 3 days. I don't want to bore you with all the details, but the whole project, when I'm done, will end up costing me about $75 and making it myself, instead of buying one from Wayfair for $390. It doesn't even match. So I'll keep going on this and I'll show you the finished product, and eventually when we get all the rooms the way we want, I'm going to do an in-house tour so everybody can see my new house and how beautiful it is. So I just say stay tuned and be safe, everyone. Well, that original video I took was on March the 10th, I think. And today is March the 16th or 17th. It's St. Patty's Day anyway. And you can see that it's pretty much done. This is my attempt at making gray distressed wood. I think it came out pretty good, except for one thing. My frame was not square, so I had to shim it a little bit here, but it's tied in pretty good. I put some pieces of mahogany under here, which make it good and solid. So now, the only thing left to do is to lay some brick. Now, stone laying is a very involved process, so I'll show you how hard it is. And we're done. Boom. So now we've got a headboard with stones on it. Of course, they're not very strong, but so I'm going to button this all up and put it in the bed, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. This is only 6 days of work. Holy crap, I'm not a carpenter. So here it is, completed. Just took it out of the garage, and I'm going to bring it into the house and install it. She looks pretty damn good. Very proud of myself. Okay, so one final shot, and this is Headboard 2021.